Alright guys, so as you can see in the title, I am getting a nitrous system for the truck. The only reason I'm doing this is because, well, first of all, the truck is not making as much power as I would really like it to, because I didn't put any kind of I didn't put more compression into it. Like, I didn't get any pistons, flat top pistons or anything. The other reason is, if I were to go with getting different rods, like the 240 rods and then the custom pistons, it would end up being like $1,500, $2,000, and it's just like, I don't need that. If I'm only going to be making less than 350, horsepower. So basically what I'm going to do is get this. I was going to do like a used bottle with like a custom hose and stuff like that, and just open the bottle for the thing, but I was like, you know what, you guys have helped me out a lot by watching my videos and my ads, and I might as well spend all that on this nitrous kit here. I'm not going to be using a nitrous plate. I'm just going to stick the fogger, or not the fogger, the 90-degree nozzle right into a bore spacer, and that's just gonna be my nitrous plate. So it's gonna have a wide open switch, and then I'm gonna only arm it whenever the truck is moving at high rates of power, and I can't shift early because it'll be under 3,000, and I don't want to do that either, just because of the vacuum advance. So basically this is going to be everything I need to get it to work, and it comes with all the jets that I need. It comes with I think like 50 up to 200 or something like that. So this is definitely the kit I'm going to go with. I'm going to wait until there's a better deal on it, but yeah, I hope this channel blows up from this, so it'll be pretty rowdy.